So one thing which I really like about ACEL members is that all of them are full of perseverance and determination. And I would especially like to thank Ocean for letting me be the part of Knowledge Wing and for motivating us throughout this whole journey, for inspiring us to read more and more articles, to have opinions, and she made us realize the importance of arguments, which is very important in today's world, about the importance of liberal thinking. So thank you for all of these things.
And in the second year of my college, I got the opportunity to be the part of Achievement Cell. It has helped me to enhance my personality in many ways. The way the cell functions with teamwork, to be responsible, to be punctual, help you to develop your communication skills and a lot more, which will definitely going to help you in every field of your life. And also, to make its member ready for all this, Achievement Cell conduct different training sessions, different brainstorming sessions, activities, tasks and meetings. I personally enjoyed all those meetings and tried not to miss any one of them.
Throughout my journey, I got to learn a lot, from work ethics to teamwork to team building and a growth exclusive of restrictions. My favorite part about the journey with the ACEL was definitely interacting with people all across the college and even outside, and build a network like never before. After a few months of working in the team, I was given the opportunity to conduct the recruitment interviews myself, which brushed my analytical and decision-making skills. The whole interaction with people around also built my communication skills and built my confidence to another level extremely. It would be right to say that the ACEL has given me one of the greatest days of my college life, and I am very grateful and glad to have been a part of it. Thank you.
When the Achievement Cell posted about me, it gave me a sense of recognition that I hadn't felt from my institution before, and I think it's a great signal for my juniors to strive harder as well.
My experience at Achievement Cell was very enriching. Honestly, I never thought a society could teach me so much. We were given tasks in which we got to know about countries, international relations, types of governance, and the list goes on. But the best thing that I got from the cell is that now I have a habit of reading about what's going around me, which makes me a more aware person. And yeah, I'm so thankful to the team for providing such a conducive environment for learning.
I remember that Ocean used to ask us in these sessions that what are your personal goals and how can ACEL help you achieve your personal goals as well. So ACEL actually helps you align your personal goals with the ACEL goals. So while you're working with ACEL, just like trust me, you'll be able to achieve your personal goals as well.
I joined ACEL with an expectation of learning, growing and enhancing my skills. And during the period till the end of it, I really found myself learning something every day, from communication skills to photo video editing, being a part of IT team, to time management or meeting deadlines and much more.
Our association with an organization which is constantly working to provide MED3 the recognition it needs. The organization which has a great impact on youth community and constantly working to create a conducive environment in your college for learning. Achievement Cell actually met my needs. Here, my experience was phenomenal. Not only it helped me realize my potential, but provided me humongous opportunities for growth and development and leadership from heading IT, HR and whole ACEL as president. Learning never ended over here. What's important is your willingness to learn. I would commend ACEL for its unique initiative, professionalism and valuing each member.
The Achievement Cell has helped me grow in various ways. First of all, I've learned professionalism, time management, communication, teamwork. So overall, the Achievement Cell has helped me grow into a more confident person. I'm glad that I was able to work with the cell for all the newcomers. I assure you that you will take wonderful memories with yourself by joining this cell, and obviously you're going to learn a lot.